their firearm positions, manpower and military equipment in 114 areas. The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. Operational, tactical and dummy aviation, missile troops and artillery of the armed forces of the Russian Federation have neutralized 75 artillery units at their firearm positions, manpower and military equipment in 114 areas. The US-made AN-TPQ-36 and AN-TPQ-50 counter-battery of air raiders have been destroyed near Konstantinovka and Privolye in Donetsk People's Republic. Air defense facilities have shot down 4 rocket-propelled projectiles launched by HIMARS and Uragan MLRS, as well as have intercepted 4 HARM anti-radiation missiles. Moreover, 11 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles have been destroyed near Pershotravnevoye in Kharkov region, Raigorodok, Oborotnovka, Losyanka in Lugansk People's Republic, Staromayorskoye, Shevchenko in Donetsk People's Republic, Kamenskoye and Baluchki in Zaporozhye region. In total, 400 airplanes, 218 helicopters, 3,384 unmanned aerial vehicles, 411 air defense missile systems, 8,264 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 1,055 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 4,321 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 8,857 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.